If your floors look more like a fur coat than a surface, welcome to the Pet Parent Club. Tumbleweeds of fluff, mystery crumbs, and clingy dander can turn cleaning into a full-time job, unless your vacuum can actually keep up. In this video to the best cordless vacuums for pet high, we'll sniff out powerful, lightweight cleaners that conquer couches, carpets, and car seats, so you spend less time battling fur and more time cuddling the culprits. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Tikom V500, our pick for best budget cordless vacuum for pet hair. If you're constantly discovering new tumbleweeds of pet hair, the Tikom V500 is your budget-friendly way to fight back without sacrificing sanity. This cordless stick vacuum packs a 450-watt motor and up to 40 kilopascal of suction, so it easily tackles pet hair, dog food crumbs, cat litter, and all the random debris your furry roommates leave behind. On any floor, you're not guessing what's going on either. The LED Smart Touchscreen gives you a clear color display of suction level, working status, remaining battery, and any malfunction warnings. One tap lets you change power modes, so you're always in control. It's a true 6-in-1 multitasker. You can switch it from stick to handheld to stair vacuum and back again to clean car seats, pet beds, stairs, kitchen crevices, dorm rooms, carpets, hardwood floors, and sofas without breaking stride. Emptying is refreshingly ungross. The one-touch system and 1.3-liter dust cup let you dump everything quickly, with enough capacity for multiple cleaning sessions before you need to empty it. Maneuverability is where it quietly shines. 90-degree vertical and 180-degree horizontal rotation help you weave around furniture, while 6 LED headlights light up dark corners and hidden dust. If you want cleaner floors, fewer fur surprises, and a vacuum that actually keeps up with your life, the V500 makes everyday cleaning feel a lot less painful. Number 4. Shark IX141, our pick for best lightweight cordless stick vacuum for pet hair. If your floors are a mix of pet hair, crumbs, and mystery fuzz, the Shark IX141 is the kind of backup you actually look forward to using. This lightweight cordless stick vacuum packs hypervelocity suction, so everyday messes and high traffic zones don't stand a chance. You get up to 40 minutes of runtime, which is plenty for quick cleanups or a full sweep of your place. It's built for all floors, bare floors, hard floors, and carpets, so you don't have to baby it or keep swapping machines. Shark's bristle brush roll plus strong suction means you can glide from rug to hardwood without overthinking it. The LED headlights are a little too honest, in a good way. They light up hidden debris under tables, along walls, and under furniture. The low-profile design lets you slide under beds and sofas instead of pretending those dust bunnies don't exist. The XL dust cup with clean touch dirt ejector keeps things hygienic and hands-free when it's time to empty. No digging around, no dust cloud in your face. If you want a cordless vacuum that's light in your hand but heavy on performance, this one makes staying on top of pet hair and daily mess feel way less overwhelming. Still searching for the perfect cordless vacuum for pet hair? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Black+Decker Powerseries Extreme, our pick for best multi-surface cleaning cordless vacuum for pet hair. If your home decor style has accidentally become pet hair and vibes, the Black+Decker Powerseries Extreme is your chance to take control again. This cordless vacuum is built around a 3X cleaning system that's designed for multi-surface cleanup, multi-debris pickup, and an anti-tangle brush bar, so you're not stopping every 5 minutes to cut fur off the roller. You get a patented brush bar with rubber bristles that's engineered to yank up stubborn pet hair and ground in dirt from both carpets and hardwoods. The Twist to Clean filter feature helps maintain strong suction, giving you up to twice the suction power without any complicated maintenance. Speaking of power, this thing is no lightweight when it comes to carpets. delivering up to 75% better pickup so your rugs don't secretly hoard fur. The removable battery makes charging flexible. Pop it out to charge anywhere or leave it in and dock. With up to 55 minutes of runtime, you've got enough juice for serious cleaning sessions. Need more control? The 3-speed settings let you match power to the surface, hard floors, area rugs, or full carpet duty. The removable floor head lets you quickly connect accessories to the main handle, making high, low, and awkward spots easier to tackle. And the washable filter keeps things simple and cost-effective over time. If you're ready for a cordless vacuum that actually keeps up with your pets and your standards, this one fits right into your daily routine. Number 2. Shark IP3251. Our pick for best cordless vacuum for pet hair with auto-empty base. If you're on a first-name basis with your dust bunnies and pet hair tumbleweeds, the Shark IP3251 is your chance to finally break up. This cordless vacuum comes with an auto-empty base that charges it while it's docked so it's always ready to go, and you're not emptying the bin after every clean. It even seals away dust, debris, allergens, and odors for up to 45 days, which is basically set it and forget it energy. You get Shark's redesigned Duo Clean Detect nozzle with 2 brush rolls designed for all floors, plus ultra-powerful hair pickup that goes after pet fur like it owes you money. Whether it's carpet, hardwood, or that awkward in-between area, it's built to grab more dirt, dust, and debris in fewer passes. The smart stuff is where it gets fun. Power Detect uses sensors to read your home as you clean, edges, corners, carpets, hard floors, and automatically boosts suction when it detects extra mess. So you're not constantly fiddling with settings while you move from room to room. If you want powerful pet hair pickup, fewer chores, and a vacuum that quietly empties itself while you get on with your life, this Shark feels less like a tool and more like a tiny cleaning upgrade for your whole routine. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. Our pick for best cordless vacuum for pet hair overall. If you share your home with pets and mystery crumbs that appear out of nowhere, the Dyson V15 Detect is the sidekick you've been missing. You're getting Dyson's most powerful, intelligent cordless vacuum. And yes, it actually uses laser illumination to expose dirt you didn't even know was there. It's both impressive and slightly embarrassing. You're completely free from cords, so no more unplug-replug gymnastics from room to room. At around 2.74 kilos, you can glide it over carpets, hard floors, stairs, and under furniture without feeling like it's arm day at the gym. Since it's engineered for homes with pets, those clingy hairs in rugs, sofas, and corners finally meet their match. The 2 advanced cleaner heads are designed to handle all floor types, letting you move from living room carpet to kitchen floor in one smooth run. The LCD screen on top keeps you in the loop with real-time info, runtime, mode, and performance, so you always know how much cleaning power you still have in the tank. Battery, powered, and built for all floors. It fits into your routine whether you're a daily quick clean person or a weekend deep clean warrior. If you're tired of pretending pet hair is part of the decor, this vacuum helps you reclaim your floors, your furniture, and your sanity with a little laser-powered honesty along the way. Woo, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best cordless vacuums for pet hair. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which cordless vacuum for pet hair you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.